Oh wow, look what we got here. A shark's tooth. Who is ready for another exciting episode of the Professor's World? Shark Edition!
Super Kings.
Da-gut-da! Hello, young marine biologist. Welcome to another thrilling episode of the Professor's World. Today, we're diving deep into the ocean's mysteries in my underwater submarine laboratory. Cue the dramatic music, because today we are unboxing the Shark Tooth Dig Kit by National Geographic. Luckily, we are safe inside here. Otherwise, we would become lunch. Let's waste no more time. Let's unbox this STEM kit before my jokes and this submarine run out of oxygen. All right, let's dive into this fantastic box and reel in some shark tooth treasures. First thing we have here is a comprehensive full-color learning guide that takes you on an educational journey of different types of sharks. And you can learn about shark fin soup. Mighty tasty. Next, we have the magnifying glass. It's truly jawsome. Did you get my pun? Next, we have our brush.
Oh, gross!
Sorry, that tickled. After that, we have our dig chisel. You can use it maybe to clean your teeth after eating shark fin soup. And last but not least, the shark-themed digging brick. Inside, treasures await. So let's get this fantastic adventure started. Look, I found a shark tooth. I found another one. And another one on top of that. Let's dust these off with our brush. And let's take a closer inspection of these shark teeth we found with our magnifying glass. Very interesting. Ouch, very sharp still. Wait a minute. I know which shark this belonged to. It belonged to a sand tiger shark. The sand tiger shark, with its menacing appearance and sharp protruding teeth, is a surprisingly docile predator found in warm coastal waters. Despite its fierce look, it poses little threat to humans and feeds mainly on small fish and squid. Let's check out the next tooth. This other tooth actually belongs to an ancient shark, no longer in existence. Okay, seriously enough with the dramatic music. This tooth belonged to the extinct crow shark. The crow shark, or Squalicerax, was a prehistoric predator that lived during the late Cretaceous period. Known for its distinctive serrated teeth, it hunted a variety of marine life, including fish and other sharks. Let's check out the last tooth we dug up. Wow, it's another extinct shark! Oh, come on, not again! Wait! At least this song is fitting. Keep playing. This tooth belonged to an Otodus obliquus, a ferocious ancient shark. Otodus obliquus was a massive prehistoric shark that lived around 60 to 45 million years ago, known for its large triangular teeth with smooth cutting edges. This ancient predator likely reached lengths of up to 30 feet, making it one of the top marine predators of its time. Thank goodness it went extinct, or we would be a snack. Wow, junior scientists, what an adventure we've had today. We've journeyed underwater to uncover the secrets of the sand tiger shark, the crow shark, and the mighty Otodus obliquus. We learned about their unique characteristics, dug up real fossils, and even got a closer look with our shark-nificent magnifying glass. If you enjoyed our dive into the world of sharks, make sure you subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss an episode of the Professor's World. Until then, keep swimming forward, junior scientists. Goodbye for now.